Greetings everybody and welcome to another episode of Road to be Proficient in Python, and on today's challenge we have division, and our task is to learn about integer division and flow division. It has a really quick example here: a equals 3, b equals 5. It does the integer division. We keeps only the integer part of the output, and the flow division, which contains everything. So we need to print this one, and the sample is this one. So yeah, let's do it. So make the integer. Oh, sorry, I was writing C before. Integer division. And flow division. So the integer division will be we need to just print it. The integer division will be a double slash b, and print a 1 slash b. This is the flow division. So if it is correctly, maybe we need to escape something, but we will see. Yeah, I think this is it. If we run the code and it passes, and if it's submitted, it passes the cases. That was it. I hope you like it, and see you in the next one.